Do I have a favorite Mendix application? It's hard to pick one. I think I'm really impressed with all the product owners we have that come with ideas. I'm really impressed by the process of ideation and how ideas spring up organically and turn into amazing applications. Today, we have 85 Mendix applications live in production environments. The first Mendix application we selected to develop in Mendix was a proof of concept for our manufacturing execution system, or our MES system. The second and third applications were part of our larger manufacturing execution system. One was for purging of materials that are used globally, and the other was a standard quoting tool.
Hello guys, my name is Gustavo Oliveira. I'm one of the leaders from Digital Factory in Jabil. Mendix is a key element on the MES rollout because as we have more than 300 customers, we know that we need to do some specificities for some of them. So Mendix as low code help us to do those customizations. One application that I like is one we created to perform assessments, different assessments that we have on the company. It's deployed in a lot of work cells that we have in Jabil. And the other one is about a solution where we track the measurements results from testers, so that one is also nice. Those applications, they are helping us to have a more visibility about the critical processes that we have on the company. And as we are acquiring that visibility, people can see the results and make actions to improve the overall performance.
In North Asia, we have two most impactful projects. The first one is K2, which is the business process management tool. So this tool required opposite in North Asia. The team definitely need another new system to replace it. So fortunately, Mendix is much applied to develop this kind of the workflow systems. So it's very impactful for the team. Another tool is PLCM, it's Product Lifecycle Management. This is a very complex system which required manage the thousands of projects around the thousands users to use this system.
There is one project that we are doing where we are using Mendix Workstation, and for that one, let's say the idea is to interact with some tools that are on the station, right, at the shop floor. So we want to leverage more from Mendix Workstation, learn more about that, and to use that, on this data collection from the shop floor. We see benefits because it was easy to connect to screwdrivers or to connect to pick-to-lights kind of things. So it was a kind of a rapid development to do that. And this is a global solution, so we will replicate these kind of things in a lot of sites.
I have other use cases from simple ones, like in cuisine in Poland, we have an e-catering tool, which helps us to manage our catering orders for customers, for visits, for our guests. We have a visitor management system that is also done in Mendix. We have regular meetings, which we do on the operational side, and to manage those meetings, we are using JOS application, which is also developed in Mendix.
I think Mendix or low code can do applications of any complexity, right? I think if you limit it to low complex applications, you're limiting yourself, you're limiting what you as a company or a group can deliver, you're limiting your innovation.